How to turn off quick ad on Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Snapchat by going on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can simply search for Snapchat right here, and if there is any update option available then do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Snapchat. To open your Snapchat, go on the setting icon and scroll down and down up until you see the option of privacy control right here. So you will see the option of see me in quick ad right here. So if you tap on see me on quick ad, then the people will be able to see you on the quick ad because it will be enabled when the tick icon is seen right here. But I want it to be disabled and I don't want people to show me on quick ad. That's why I just remove the tick icon and go back, and now no one will be able to find me on quick ad and also to contact me. My friends and contacts you can see right here. But if I don't want my contacts to find me as well, then I can just tap it on my friends and tap on the OK option, and that's how my problem would be solved. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.